Some memories were never meant to fade. Blurry, damaged, lost in time, until now. UniConverter brings your photos back to life. Sharper details, cleaner edges, restored like never before. To use UniConverter on your PC, check the description of this video for the download link. Once you have downloaded the latest version, head to the image section and click on Image Enhancer. And if you used this tool before, there are so many new features you absolutely need to try. In the Auto Enhancer, you now have two AI models to choose from, Gentle and Detail Gen AI. Let me upload a photo to show you the difference. As you can see, the quality is really low and it's quite blurry. Let's try the Gentle model first. I'll hit Preview. It's better but not quite there. Now let's switch to the new Detail Gen AI model and hit Preview again. Look at that, night and day difference. Here is something really cool. Since I want to upscale the resolution, I don't need to do it separately. Just toggle on Image Upscaler, select 8x and hit Preview. It processes both at the same time and look at that result. Incredible clarity and detail. To save your image, just select your export location and click Export All. Now let me show you another new feature, Enhance Repair, and I'll combine it with the old photo colorizer. I have this old photograph with a lot of white scratches, very common for vintage photos. I'll turn on Enhance Repair and old photo colorizer together, then hit Preview. Look at this, all the scratches are completely gone and the colors have been fully restored. It looks like this photo was taken yesterday. Every small detail is back with full color. Absolutely stunning. Next, let's try Old Photo Clarity Boost on the Advanced Old Photo Repair using the Nano Banana AI model. The result is honestly unbelievable. Moving on, inside Clarity and Light Enhancement, I have a photo with tons of noise in it, so I'm going to use Noise Reduction feature. Hit Preview. And just like that, all the noise is gone, clean and crisp. And now my personal favorite new feature in Image Enhancer, Text and Image Clarity Enhancement. I have a low quality poster here where the text is barely readable. Let's apply this feature. And look at that. It doesn't just sharpen the text, it enhances the entire image as well. This is one of the best features I have ever seen in any tool like this. Now let's jump over to the image generator. Upload your image, pick a template you like, set your aspect ratio and quality, and then hit generate. You get a ready to use YouTube thumbnail just like that. And it's not just thumbnails. You can also generate graduation yearbook photos and invitation cards, super versatile. If you got a bunch of pictures in different formats, head to the image converter, upload all your images at once, set your output format and destination, and click Start All. Every single image gets converted in one go, no waiting around. And finally, batch processing. If you have multiple pictures and want to apply the same enhancement to all of them and export everything at once, this is exactly the feature for you. One click and it handles the entire batch. And honestly, we have only scratched the surface. There are so many other features inside UniConverter, and they are just as impressive. If you want to try this tool yourself, the link is in the description with an amazing discount, so definitely check that out. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.